Hello everybody, so today I will talk about trigonometry. If 3 sine x equal to number 2, 5 sine x minus b plus sine x plus b. So in here I will show the technique how to answer the question. First, we need to remember this formula. That's about sine a plus sine b, and we have 2 sine a plus b divided by 2 cosine a minus b divided by 2. Similar situation we will apply in here. So now we just put the formula. A is about s minus b, and b is about s plus b in here, minus b, and the positive b they will eliminate, so you have to ask 2 divided by 2, so you have ask. The next one, a minus b, we have s minus b in here. B is about s plus b, so in this situation we have the negative sign here, and we go about minus s minus b. S minus x, you go about 0, minus b, you go about minus 2b, minus 2 divided by 2, you go about negative b. In here we have 3 sine x equal to 2, so we can find the sine in here. Sine x equal to 2 divided by 3. So in this situation we replace the sine x into 2 over 3. Cosine minus b, you go about the negative minus 1, and we got about minus 4 over 3. That's the final result. This is the end. Thank you for watching.